Hello everyone. Let us discuss today some new questions, important questions for UGC NET exam. So our first question is, right to education is declared as fundamental right by the Supreme Court in option A, Olga Telly case, second, Mohini Jain case, third is Uni Krishnan case, and fourth is in Re-Kerala Education Bill. So, correct answer of this question is option number C, that is Uni Krishnan case. फंडामेंटल राइट्स पे एक क्वेश्चन हमें यूजीसी नेट में ज़रूर आता है. So please remember that correct answer is Uni Krishnan case. Second question is, the birth and death of a legal person is determined by option A, nature, option B, custom, option C, law, and last option is precedent. So correct answer of this question is option C, that is law. Birth and death of legal person is determined by law. Next question is, the number of judges of Supreme Court, including Chief Justice of India, as provided in under Article 124 of Constitution, shall be 30, 31, 33 and D. So correct answer of this question is option number B, that is 31. Number of judges of Supreme Court including Chief Justice of India as provided under Article 124 of Constitution shall be 31. Our next question is very important question of jurisprudence. Which jurist supported the principle of laissez-faire theory? Option A, Bentham, option B, H.L.A. Hart, option C, Paton, and option D is Salmons. So correct answer is option number A, that is Bentham. Bentham supported the laissez-faire theories. आप jurisprudence की theories को बहुत importance पढ़े किसने propound किया है, because it is very important for your exam. Then next question is, who wrote Das Recht des Bestizo 1803? कौन ऑथर है इसका? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज सेवेगनी, सेकंड ऑप्शन इज मैनी, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज पुचता एंड लास्ट इज सामंस. सो करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज सेवेगनी. सेवेगनी इज द ऑथर ऑफ दिस बुक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, राइट एंड ड्यूटीज exist. Option A, we know that we have a rights and duties in our concepts of ownership and possessions. So here right and duties exist, option A together, option B separately, option C opposite to each other, and last option is complementary to each other. So correct answer of this question is option number D, that is complementary to each other. So our next question is now. Next question is, the President of India appoints. We know that our President is an executive authority and President has power to appoint various important authorities of a country, out of which The President of India appoint option A Governor, option B Chief Minister of a state, option C Judges of District Court, and the last option is all of the above. The correct answer of this question is option number A, Governor. Our next question is, the jurist who gave more predominance to the rule of law than drought administrative law. This question is from our administrative law. The jurist who gave more predominance to the rule of law than drought administrative was option A Jennings, option B Dicey, option C Salmons, and last option is Hall. So correct answer of this question is B, that is Dicey. Next question is, the correlative of liberty is option A right, option B no right, option C power, and last option is duty. So correct answer of this question is option number B, that is no right. And last question is, Locke believed in which rights? First right is inalienable rights, second is social rights, third right is fundamental rights, and option D is inherent right. So Locke believed in inalienable rights, that is option number A. So thank you. In our next series, tomorrow we will discuss next important 10 questions. Thank you.